Hello, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to find the value closest to 100 from the two given numerical values using JavaScript. Let's dive in. We are given two numbers, and our goal is to find which one is closer to 100. We will achieve this by calculating the absolute difference between each number and 100. Here's the code. The function near 100 checks if two numbers are different. Then it calculates how far each number is from 100 using the Math.abs function. Finally, it returns the number closest to 100 or false if the numbers are the same. Let's break it down. First, we check if the numbers are different. Then we calculate how far each number is from 100. We return the closest number or false if the two numbers are equal. In this example, we pass 80 and 89. Since 90 is closer to 100, the function returns 90. Here's an interesting example with negative numbers. The function returns negative 89 because it is closer to 100 compared to negative 90. In this case, both numbers are equal, so the function returns false because there is no distinct number closer to 100. Here's the ES6 version of the code using arrow functions. The functionality remains the same, but the syntax is more concise. To summarize, we learned how to compare two numbers and find the one closest to 100 using absolute differences. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials.